This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Thank you for listening to the podcast. Thrilled to report that we're near 3 million downloads on the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Here are 6 stories that we're following this morning. First, Netflix is down almost 8% on revenue shortfalls, more subscribers, but less revenue. They're still up about 62% year to date. Tesla, second, is down nearly 5% on gross margin compression. Third, the market indexes all point down today after a good day yesterday in the markets and a great last 2 weeks. So those are our first 3 stories. The fourth story, NASDAQ futures fall as Tesla, Netflix cast a pall. Fifth story, Abbott beats quarterly devices on strength in medical devices, beats its quarterly profit estimates on demand for medical devices. So Abbott's doing well. And finally, the 6th story we found this morning is Blackstone, the private equity giant, has now passed $1 trillion in assets under management. That makes it by far the largest alternative asset manager. The private equity world, much more profitable than the traditional money management world. So even though they're $1 trillion in assets compared to, let's say, BlackRock at $10 trillion in assets, they are much more higher market cap because of a much more profitable business. The second largest PE firm is Apollo at $600 billion. So that's how big the gap is between Blackstone and Apollo. In any event, those are 6 of the stories that we're following this morning. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Thank you very much.